Good morning, everyone. This morning my husband had an eye appointment, so I jumped out of jumped up out of bed and ran into town with him. And not that he can't drive again, it's just that I felt like I wanted to get out a little bit more today. I didn't have any appointments at work, so I thought I would come out here. But he's in there right now, and I notice everybody is all nice and dressed up. They have nice hats and scarves on and nice everything. They're all dressed up. To me, I got part pajamas on and I don't look very dressed up at all today. But anyway, it's going to be a busy day. After this, I'm going to go home and clean house, and I have some people coming over to look at the puppies this afternoon. I'm excited to meet them.
You doing kisses?
You want to sit down? If you sit down, they'll come over and hug you.
It should be clean there, over there. I think they pee now.
Baby!
Oh, look at them. Look at they love you.
Can you pet them? You pet their head? She says, hi. Hi, Elijah. Hi. Oh, it's like looking to the side.
Oh, no, it's okay, because I can
It's licking my hand. Is she going to lick your hand?
They know how to shake? Yeah. They shake. Shake. They know how to sit and shake.
No.
She's pretty much that. She don't take anything from anybody or anything.
Yeah, pet them. They like it.
They love it. Oh, look at their waiting in line. You kiss it? Yeah, this is Bear. Very cute.
Baby.
Yeah, very baby. Yeah.
Ah! You got me. Hey, go! Rita.
She likes the dark face one, so in the same board.
Yeah.
There you go. You can have them. Good afternoon. I found this table on Craigslist. There was two of them actually. I'm going to paint them. My son went over to pick them up for us, so that was really nice of him to do. And here's the first coat, and it's the same color as the aquarium, but it's going to go in our bedroom, and I like that. And here's the second one. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, but that's okay. I want to get matching lamps to put it on the side of our bed, so they match in color, but they won't be the same size, but that's okay. Good afternoon. Isn't this a lovely little mess we have going? And I have a helper today. He's got a school day off first. It's so cold, it's like 29 below zero. I don't know what it is Celsius, but 30 below Fahrenheit, right? Mm-hmm. And we're going to make some cookies for the people that are going to come over and see the puppies this weekend. We have about, how many people? 8 people coming over to look at puppies, maybe 9. So we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies. Well, I got my 417 layer Damascus knife with brass pins and a black sheath, leather. And my cousin Brian made it. He was on the History Channel not too long ago. And he also is a sword maker. So I'm super happy to get it. I love it. And I can't wait to use it and bring it camping with us this summer. So super excited. Okay, today is open up the knife box from my cousin. He handmade this.
Where should we cut it first?
It's a Damascus knife.
Where should we?
Maybe in there.
There?
Yeah. Yippee! And then he made my special knife, and it has a sheath on it. Oh, and there's proof that he made it. There he is. Thank you, Brian, if you're watching. What it says, Cousin Brian. Enjoy the knife from Cousin Brian. And that was him on the show.
Oh, I've seen that show.
The FIF Season 4, Episode 22.
Oh, I've seen that one.
Yep. And he has
Okay,
a
ready
Odin
for the knife?
Forge, Knights Templar Sword.
Ready for the knife?
Yes, let's move this one out of the way.
Maybe. It's leather.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's strong.
Wow, look at that design. Oh, that is so cool. And it's sharp. That is very sharp. Well, I brought Austin home, and my Merc didn't start, but my Mercury. But my husband's truck started, so I brought him home in that. And this is the sunset that I saw on the way home. So pretty. After dropping Austin off tonight, I noticed when I got home that Ava, one of our older girls, she was shaking, and so I got her up on the couch and put a sweater on her, and the other dogs didn't miss a wink of anything that was going on. So they immediately jumped up on the couch and laid next to her to keep her warm. She does have a kidney disorder, so that's probably making her feel more chilled, but there's nothing we can do, like I said, and it's unfortunate, but she has some good, that's her son laying on her, and Mindy, she's over there helping to keep her warm. I can't help myself. Here's more puppy pictures. Thanks for watching. I'll end here for today. And it's been a super busy day. A couple people came over to look at the puppies, and we went to the eye appointment, cleaning house, and doing a lot of this and that. So Thanks again for watching. I hope you'll subscribe if you like. And the quote of the day is,